What's up everybody, welcome to Gamingtech. Today I will be cleaning this keyboard. In the meantime, I've been filming a lot of videos, so I'm gonna release about the Acer Nitro. I know some of you been asking. This was the state of my keyboard, which is horrendous. We gotta clean this up. Basically, I found this wet hankies, they're called, and I was thinking, would it work? This is, by the way, Roccat Aimo 120 keyboard. It's with the Titan switches. They're tactile and crisp. Basically, I was testing these wet wipes for the first time. By the way, they don't contain any alcohol, and I was surprised by the result actually. It contains glycerol, which is a byproduct of soap making, and it is a natural solvent as well. That's why it's good for cleaning and stain removal purposes. It has moisturizing properties also, which is not important here because we're gonna just clean the keycaps of this keyboard and around it and so forth. I was gonna use compressed air, but I realized it's super easy to clean this keyboard compared to my Corsair K95, which is horrible experience. I gotta use compressed air just to remove. Here I don't even have to remove the keycaps. It's super easy job. It just took me 5 minutes. This is what I wanted to share. I know some of you are gonna like, are you running out of content? Not really. We got plenty of content. But my keyboard needed a major cleaning. People use wet hankies for cleaning their hands and so forth. What contains on the package, it says 95% natural ingredients. Special emulsion formula containing glycerin, chamomile and aloe vera extract. We don't care. It does a fantastic job. I used afterwards the horrible Philips screen cleaner spray and wiped it off with the microfiber cloth. It just took me 5 minutes. It's done. I'm gonna be swapping out these keycaps for PBT ones. Been looking for some brands. I'm not gonna spoil it. It's not gonna be something special. We're gonna have custom keyboards in the future, waiting for the shipment of those. It was super easy. Typing experience on this keyboard is, keycaps is not the best. The switches are amazing, but the keycaps are not the best, unfortunately. Anodized aluminum on this keyboard. I personally like it. It's one of my oldest keyboards. Still works very good. Cleaning the bottom of the keyboard here as well. As you see, this was the state of the keyboard in 1 month of usage. I mainly edit with this keyboard and playing some games, mostly game tests, so you can see the condition of it. Q-tips to go between is very easy. If you're a person who eats in front of their computer and leaves bread crusts and other stuff, you can just shake the keyboard. It's very easy. Probably the most easiest keyboards I have ever cleaned. And shiny keyboard. I'm happy. I hope you're happy. I'm gonna be pumping out a lot of videos. So thank you for watching, guys. Stay tuned. I'll see you on the next one. Let's go!